Hi everybody, well today I'm going to make something really wonderful and delicious. Delicious and yummy homemade chocolate pancakes. Oh my goodness, your kids are going to love this. I'm going to take my flour and I'm going to add my cup of flour. Here we go. Sometimes you have to make new things, folks. A cup of flour. I'm going to add in my sugar. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, excuse me. Here it is, I have it. Two teaspoons of baking powder. Here we go. One, two. Beautiful. Alright, now the sugar, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sometimes it's good to treat yourself, let me tell you something. Alright, now the treat is going to show up. Tablespoon of cocoa. Use Hershey's. I know it's hard to find it. Okay, put this over here. Mix this together. Let me add 1 more tablespoon. It's just too light for my liking. Well, you don't like to have something which you have to make sure that's better. A cup of milk. 1 egg. 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. Here we go. Mix. You want the batter moist. Here we go. That's what you want the batter to look like. Okay, now we're going to put it on the griddle pan. I'm going to let it cook until it bubbles. We'll be back in a few minutes. Here we have delicious chocolate pancakes. I recommend you can make chocolate pancakes on Easter Sunday. A real treat. Put a little bit of powdered sugar over it. You could add syrup if it's sweet enough. Deborah, Tom Country Kitchen. Have a great day.